Devontae Adams, wide receiver. It was fun. I had a lot of fun doing it. Good experience meeting all the people, but it was real tiring. You know, a lot of wake ups. Like we had to do a drug test I think we had to wake up at 3:45 for the drug test and didn't get to go back to sleep. And so we were up the entire day. A lot of meetings, a lot of, stuff where they're doing physicals, like, checking out whatever past injuries you've had, different stuff like that. But I know over the whole weekend, it was a lot of fun. People definitely recognized the fact that we had 4 guys there, so I think that was good. Kind of put us on the map, because everywhere we went, they were like, we already had 2 or 3 Fresno guys in here. You guys are coming in here pretty deep. And I was like, yeah. And so it's a good feeling knowing that people recognize and kind of see all the work we've been putting in. I've been doing a lot of cardio stuff and making sure I'm gonna run the 40 again, and I'm gonna run routes. So tomorrow I'm going out to Bakersfield to throw with Derek, and so is Isaiah and Marcel. So just putting in all the work, putting the last little pieces together, because this month's gonna go by fast. I'll just say I'm a playmaker. From anywhere on the field, I feel like I can go get 6. So it's been a thing that I definitely pride myself on, not just being a possession receiver, but being a big play guy.
And I think what he's going to be able to do and give any team that wants to, give him the opportunity to play for them, is he's going to give them a guy that's a playmaker in the end zone for sure. And you can see by his production for us and how Derek Carr leaned on him in the red zone throwing the football up, and him going above the DB and snatching the ball away. And the other thing he's going to be able to do is he's going to be able to beat people at the line of scrimmage. And he's a big physical receiver, a lot more physical than people know. When you're that physical and got big hands like he does and has that kind of leaping ability, he's going to translate very well to the NFL.
I mean, the guy can, do between the legs dunks with his pads on. That kind of athleticism is rare. We've all seen the fade balls. Everyone in Fresno, whoever watched the Fresno State game, if you didn't see us throw a fade, you weren't watching long enough. He's going to outjump anybody for a football. So, and he's young, so he's going to get that NFL coaching from a young age, and the sky's the limit for him.
He's got a ton of natural talent. He's a physical receiver. He's 6'2", 215 pounds. He's got surprising speed. I think he ended up running a 4.5 at the combine. At times he runs so smoothly, it doesn't appear that he's gaining ground till he's running away from everybody. And I think as he continues to develop, he's going to have a terrific career, because he's going to be a physical receiver and be able to play at that level.